Yeah. Then Mike in the building, walking up the stairs. Yet I give him mail. Matter of fact, at the time, like what the hell? Now I'm getting through it. Just get the dough. Just kill the beat. Yeah, I'm walking low. Hey, the Michael, when you're trying to get in the hall, matter of fact, you kill the beat. I said, oh my God. Smokey up. So you like acid? Call it Lil Wayne, man. I ain't might be your daddy. Call it Bird, man, when you trying to get in pain. Rapping so hard, smack your boy like quick playing. Throw you in the can, I don't give a fuck. Matter of fact, me in the town, throw your face like young buck. Sit down, get loud, get down. Just sit your woman mic, yeah, for J-Town. I represent my city, but you know I don't play. Matter of fact, I hit the club and say, what's up to the J? Now, I'm back, it's time to get a set. Here you talk a lot of mess, put a hole in your back. Get that sexy off your head when you trying to get a leg. Matter of fact, eat it, boy, like some cornbread. Lil' mama, we armor, gotta play big. Barack Obama, Michelle Obama used to hummer. Now, Lil' Mike, you see, that's what I be. Matter of fact, you heard me, they call it Jay, a nigga Minaj. Matter of fact, me in the time they came to take this guard. Make you stop and take my text. We trying to get late. I put y'all balls on the wall like a damn tic-tac. Now, I pop you up, eat you up like a duck. Matter of fact, I got so much money, you see this in my cup. Ain't gon' never get this life up, cause I'm gon' gone. Matter of fact, we in this time, but my money's so long. Hey, Chris Brown, you say you like to dance? Hell no. Can I get in on this damn pants? Cause I might get on the truth. Yeah, that's what I do. What's up, soda boy? You like a down Scooby Doo. I'm rapping your whole clip, rapping whole hip. Looking at Trina while the damn she's dip. Bring it to it, man. See the one on the end. Looking at that girl look like Peter Pan. I knew she was ugly, look like Wesley. Matter of fact, look like Dougie. Now do your dance. Y'all put your hands. Matter of fact, that might, but you know I'm the man. Pull up your guard, then you get it right. Hell nah, nigga, you was a faggot overnight. I knew you was a faggot walking down the street. What's up, little nigga? You don't know about me. I'm back the whole city. Now I don't get it. I'm like the boy T.I. Get it. Now get on. Yeah, to get on. Rap the whole clip up, but my money's so long. Nigga, what it do? Sit down and think. Let me sit down, father, taking me a drink. Now looking at the camera, cause I'm on. Man, it's back in the camera, but you know I'm gone. I cut my hair, I cut my braids. Matter of fact, just you come get laid. I keep the man beating in 24 hours. Matter of fact, be unsafe. We can take your shower. Leave that lame nigga alone. They call Jay-Z. Matter of fact, in the time, ain't no PRP. But yeah, I keep going. Yeah, 4 hours. Matter of fact, that rap so game, I'm retired. Nah, I just close my eyes like Ray Charles. I open up, you go wild. Yeah, rest in peace, my boy Michael Jackson. Do the moonwalk just like Michael Jackson. But you know what, your girl's so sexy. Matter of fact, but you know, yeah, I'm essence. Let me get back up and show you the shit pack. Lil Mike get on my chest. Yo, what is do they that? I'm gone. I'm strong. What going to a governor? I'm gone. Haha, this your boy Lil Mike. In the building, what it be like?